Hi, today we're going to review a recent bridge installation that was done at Ridgeview Ranch Golf Club. This bridge is a fiberglass bridge manufactured by Lynx Bridges. One piece, it weighs about 4,000 pounds. The bridge was mounted to 3 helical piles on each side of the crossing. Once the bridge was secured to the piles, end caps were placed over the ends of the bridges to allow backfilling. I want to thank the Lynx Bridges team. They put this order together and delivered it from the day of ordering to our doorstep in just about exactly 4 weeks.